Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a tier list online. And to do that we are going to use tiermaker.com. So first of all you need to go to tiermaker.com and you need to create an account. So I'm already logged in, but over here somewhere in the menu you will see a button where you can create your account. So after you've done that we go to make a template. And here you can search for an existing template that you can use, but you can also create your own template. So in this video we're going to create our own template. So I select this one. And here you can choose to create a single use template or to make it public. We're going to create a single use template. And now this is the base of your tier list. So as you can see, they've already put some tiers over here. And you can change them. You can add the text that you want. For the 1, I can make this a 2, and over here you see this icon and you can change the color. Also the text, you can delete this row. It's also possible to add another row above or below. So if I select this one, you will see a new row, and we can change the color of that like this. You can also change the order, so I want to put this one lower or maybe this one higher, and by this you can create your own tier. So now we want to upload images, so choose files. So I've uploaded some images that I want to use in my tier list. So you will see all your images over here, and then you can just drag and drop them on your tier list. So let's say this is number 1. So maybe a second one over here and a second one over there. And now we will see that the tier list is filled with our images, and you can also choose the shape of the images. So you see landscape is a bit bigger, portrait, or no crop. But I want the square images. And now you can download your tier list if you want. So you will see that it will look like this if you download it. You can also share your tier list with other people. So then you need to go to here to your share on Twitter or share on Facebook. And this is how to make a tier list online. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was the case, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.